WONDERKids Workshop is an event where we have our kids from our multidisciplinary cleft and craniofacial team come together so they can spend some time with kiddos who are just like themselves, who have cleft and craniofacial differences, and get to build some friendship time and get to talk about similar experiences that they've had. These kiddos go through multiple surgeries in their lifetime, and so that's tough. It's tough on them, it's tough on the parents, and so to know that other people have had that same experience and they're not alone is really meaningful to the kids.
It's always helpful for kids to see other kids kind of like them so that they don't feel so alone.
I've never been to any camp.
So this is your first camp?
Mm-hmm. And I'm very excited about it because I'm like, Grandma, I've always wanted to go to camp. It's a fun camp because there's a lot of people to meet, and the people working here are great and they're interactive, and the camp is fun.
The camp is definitely an emotional support system for these kiddos. It allows them to bond with other kiddos in a way that they don't normally get to.
I heard about the opportunity. I was like, wait, I can find people like me. That would be fun. Maybe I can meet new friends.
A day of celebrating kind of our similarities and our differences.
It's really fun, and you should definitely come because you can make new friends. It makes me happy and grateful because there's people that I can rely on, and there's people like me, so that I can count on them too.